Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a lot on today because we've got the trying to get Aristo in probably tomorrow really to get in primer. She's all prepped, ready for primer. I'll show you around that later. And I've got a Mercedes in the booth. I've got to get it out, try to refit and get it all like back to the customer. But first things first, I've got to go to Cadagas headquarters in Sittingbourne to change the cylinder around because I purchased this cylinder, brand new cylinder, a week ago, and me owning a very first forklift, I did not know about the arrows on the bottom. Showed you where the pickup point is for the gas. Of course, it's still got gas in it, and it got cut out. So I shot down to the place that I bought it from last night before 5. Basically, the old boy told me to F off because he said this ain't their canister. He can't remember me, even I've got a receipt. And then they told me to contact Cadagas itself. So I did. Cadagas headquarters apologised, and he said he'll swap it over straight away. So let's get to it. Boys, we're at Cadagas to sort out this issue. Hello guys, the E-Class Mercedes all painted, trade work. As you can see, I've tried to keep it away from the back of the door as best I can. Skirt's all painted, the bumper's already painted last night, and the other wings all repaired and painted. And also try to keep it minimal. It is tight. The repair was here, so we kept it tight. Tried to not get as much colour to the door, but hey ho. All done. Second-hand bumper repaired the wing and the side skirts all done. We've had to blend the bonnet because it's because we had to really because of colour. But also this side's all done. Customer's got to pick it back up, put the grill back on, his plate. Yeah, so this one's all done. We're ready to carry on some other jobs. Yo viewers, we've got an rx7 rear bumper here. It's come in because we've got to sort this out. It's been painted before. See? And it's all cracked. This is what I say, cheap material. So we're going to strip this, redo it all with a better premium material, and give it back to the customer. As you can see, the rx7 bumper is all DA'd off, back to almost back to plastic, to where it's glazed up. The reason why it's glazed up is because it has a local repair area. You can see this is where they blended it, and this is the original kind of paint. That's why it's glazed up. But now we're going to clean it up, plastic primer it, and get it in primer. I was having to move around today. It is the risk day that we prepped another cars and ran out of fuel. So now we've just got to put some fuel in, wait to run to move the other cars out. Let's get to it.